Hello there. We're still talking about Powerball, and in one of the previous videos we found out the probability that you win something, so that's all of these added up. Remember that you're most likely going to win the $3 prize. You're probably not going to get the $600 million here. I'm not using the number 2.85. I've stored this whole value in my calculator, so I'm using something much longer for these. And on this one, we're going to ask ourselves, on average, how long do you need to buy tickets until you win something? So this is an expected value problem. And expected value for these, remember, the general rule is going to be the outcome times the probability of that outcome occurring. This isn't actually for this. This is going to be for that cumulative sum one with the probabilities. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and your 2.85%, and your 2.77%, so on and so forth for those. And you're multiplying these together and adding them up. But we saw that for waiting time, average waiting time, there was a very nice formula of 1 over p. And this is incredibly useful for us. And it's also very intuitive. If the probability of rolling a 6 is 1 in 6, it should take us 6 rolls to get that. 1 over 6 is 6. If the probability of flipping a heads is a half, on average, I need to roll twice in order to get a head. So I'm going to apply this to this situation here. So I'm going to take the probability of winning. I want to know on average how long does it take before I win. I'm going to plug that number in. Some people were saying that you should convert everything over to percentages so it's easier to read. It's very important that this p is not a percentage, but rather a decimal. If I do 1 divided by 2.85, I'm not going to get my average waiting time. I got to do 1 divided by 0.0285. Okay, evaluate that. So there I go. Oh, that ain't that bad, 35.11. So my interpretation of this, remember, is that on average it's going to take me 35.11 tickets until I get a win. It's perfectly fine to have this decimal after it, because we're talking about probabilities and an average. So you may abbreviate it to 35 when talking casually, but we're going to use 35.11. So on average, 35.11 tickets until you get a winner. Of course, it's most likely just going to be the $3 prize. If you want to talk about the grand prize, on average it's going to take you, well, this is the nice thing about this 1 over probability. On average, it's going to take you 195,249,054 tickets until you get that winning jackpot ticket. That's a lot of money. Ouch. Okay, this is the final video, I believe, in our 2X series. We're all done. Thanks for watching. Character and Scholarship for Life.